Hello everyone, myself Sandeep K, faculty of Chandrakant Patil Public School, Kalburgi, and I am from Mathematics Department. Today's topic I want to explain about subtraction. Let us go through the topic in detail. In the previous video session, we have learnt about addition, its terminology, examples and statement problem. Based on that, I gave you worksheet 4. Now let us go through the topic in the video presentation 5 about subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the operator minus sign. Now let us see the example. For example, in the adjacent picture you can see I have taken 5 apples. There are 5 apples and 2 apples are taken away. I am just removing the 2 apples from these apples. So therefore the remaining apples are 3. The remaining concept represents the subtraction. Moving on to next slide, terminologies used in subtraction. Here we are going to use 3 important terminologies. The first number system in the subtraction is called as minuend. The second, which has to be removed or taken away, is called subtrahend. The result or the answer after doing the subtraction is called difference. The first terminology is minuend. The number from which the given number has to be subtracted is called minuend. Second, subtrahend. The number that is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Third, difference. Difference is the result of a subtraction problem. The fourth point, I have taken the formula in the concept of subtraction. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Now let us see the example. I have taken 4-digit number system. First I have taken 7541. The first term in the subtraction is called minuend. Second, I have taken 5120. The second term in the subtraction is called subtrahend and the operator I am using is minus. Here also children, we have to do the subtraction from right to left. So let us see column wise. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 5 minus 1 will be 4. And 7 minus 5 will be 2. So the result is 2421. And the result in the subtraction is called difference. The sixth point is the verification formula. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. We will see the explanation in the next coming examples. Subtraction can be done with borrow and without borrow. Now let us see the first concept without borrow, without taking any borrow. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers without borrow. First question, subtract 26,235 from 39,637. Solution. And we can see here the from concept when comes, the second number we have to keep first or the bigger number we have to keep first. Among these 26,235 and 39,637, 39,637 is greater. So we have to keep in the position of minuend. And 26,235 I have to take in second step and it is called as subtrahend. So let us see the solution. You have to solve from right to left and the operator used is minus. Now let us check the answer. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 9 minus 6 will be 3. And 3 minus 2 will be 1. So the difference is 13,402. And this is a common and simple example. But you can see in the right side, I have proved the verification. The verification, we have to do the formula is difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. To check whether I got the difference correct or not, we have to implement a formula difference plus subtrahend, and you can see in the left the difference is 13,402. This we have to keep first, and subtrahend is 26,235 we have to keep down, and we have to add them both. When we add both, we will get the minuend. You can see 39,637 is the addition answer, but here in the left column it is the minuend. So this is the verification. Moving on to next slide, subtraction of numbers with borrow. Here I am explaining the concept of taking borrow from left to right. Second question, find the difference of the following. I have taken here one 6-digit number and one 5-digit number system. So let us go through it. First question, the first number is 3,46,981 minus 27,560. Here the first term in subtraction is called minuend and the second term is called subtrahend. So 3,46,981 is the bigger number, so I am keeping it as minuend, and 27,560 is smaller, so I am taking it as subtrahend. So here we have to do minus from right to left, and the operator used is minus. So here let us see the answer. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 8 minus 6 will be 2. 9 minus 5 will be 4. In 6, I can't take 7 or I cannot remove 7. So I have to take borrow, that is 10 number, so it will become 16. And I have to take borrow from left to right. So in 16 minus 7 it will be 9. So when I taken from 4, 1 I have taken means here it will be 3. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. At last 3, here down you can see no number are there, so I have to keep 3 as it is. So the overall result is 3,19,421 is the difference. The third example, subtract the following. Here I have taken 6-digit numbers. First is 5,67,835 minus 2,59,480. Here the bigger number we have to keep up and the smaller number we have to keep down. So the bigger number is 5,67,835. I am keeping up, and this will become the first term. So the first term is called minuend. The second 2,59,480 I am keeping down. So the second term in the subtraction is called subtrahend, and the operator I am using is minus. Here also we have to solve from right to left. So let us see the solution. 5 minus 0 will be 5 itself. In 3, I can't take 8. So I am taking borrow from left to right. So here you can see from 8 I am taking the borrow 10. So it will become total 13. In 13 when I remove 8, it will become 5. So here I am taken from 8 1 means here it will be 7. So 7 minus 4 will be 3. So as it is when we move, here next is 7 minus 9, I can't make subtraction. So I am taking one borrow from this 6. So it will become 17. 17 minus 9 will be 8. So when I am given borrow here, when I give one number from 6, here it will be 5. So 5 minus 5 will be 0. And last 5 minus 2 will be 3. So the overall result is 3,08,355 is the difference. The fourth example, find the difference of the following and represent in place value table. The question is 90,000 minus 64,925. Here I have taken place value table system. So in the place value table system, we have to insert the number. Now here you can see I have taken the place value table and you have to read the place value table from right to left. First is units, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then last 10,000 because I am taking here only 5 digit number system. As you can see in the right side row wise, I have made 4 important terminologies of subtraction. The first is borrow, next is minuend, next is subtrahend, and the result is difference. The question 90,000 is the bigger number, so I am taking in the position of minuend. Next 64,925 is the smaller number and the second term it is called as subtrahend. Now let us see the answer. And we have to solve from right to left. And the operator used is minus. In 0, I can't take 5. But when I can see here left side, there are no numbers are there. Here also 0 is there. So I can't take borrow. When I check the next in 100 position, here also it is 0. When I come to left side once again to take borrow in the 1000 position, here also it is 0. But when I come to the 10,000 position, here 9 is there. As I already said, borrows are taken from left to right. But I am taking from 9 to 1 I am taking. So it will be 10 position. When I take 1 from 9, here it will be 8. And when I take here 10, so I have to go till last for the unit position so that I have to make the solution. So once again when I take borrow, when I take 1 from the 10, it will become 9 and the next slide will be 10. When once again I take borrow right side, it will become 10 this side and 9 will be remaining at 100 position. Once again when I take borrow from 10, at the last it will become 10 at unit position and at 10 position only 9 will be remaining. So let us see the answer. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 2 will be 7. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 9 minus 4 will be 5. As I taken borrow from 9 till unit position, here will be remaining 8. When I do 8 minus 6, so the result will be 2. So 25,075 is the difference. Moving on to next slide, statement problems based on subtraction. Let us see the concept. First question, a coconut merchant purchased 49,137 coconuts. He sold 26,134 coconuts in a month. How many coconuts are left unsold? We have to read the statement questions properly. At the last conclusion, we will get to know which operations we have to perform. Here the last statement is, how many coconuts are left? So left means we have to do the concept subtraction. Solution given. Number of coconuts purchased by merchant 49,137. Number of coconuts sold in a month 26,134. So both we have to do minus and the minus has to be done from right to left. Let us see the answer column wise. 7 minus 4 will be 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 9 minus 6 will be 3. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Therefore, the number of coconuts unsold are 23,003. The second statement problem is, in Kalaburgi city, 7,43,659 bicycles were sold during the year 2018 and 8,06,000 bicycles were sold in the year 2019. In which year more bicycles were sold? How many more bicycles were sold? We have to read the question properly. Here the first question statement is, in which year more bicycles were sold? When we read the question properly, automatically we'll get to know in 2019, 8,06,000 cycles are more when we compare to 7,43,659 in the year 2018. But we have to solve by using the statement and the concept subtraction. Let us see the solution in the next slide. Now the solution I have taken in the next slide. Number of bicycles sold during 2019, 8,06,000. Number of bicycles sold during 2018, 7,43,659. As we all know, the bigger number we have to keep up in the concept of subtraction. And you also know the first term is called minuend, the second term is called subtrahend, and we have to use the minus operator. And we have to solve from right to left. Now let us see the solution. We have to see the solution by column wise from right side. 0 minus 9, I can't do the operation because from 0 I can't take 9. When I see the left side is also 0. So I can't take the borrow. And when I come to the 100 position, here also it is 0. I can't take the number. But here you can see in the 1000 position 6 is there. From 6 I have to take 1 borrow. So when I give from 1 6 it will become 5 and this right side it will become 10. Once again from 10 I have to take 1 borrow. Right side it will become 10 and on the 10 above you can see I have written the 9 because when I give 1 from 10 the result will be 9. Once again I have to take borrow from left to right. When I take from left to right it will become 10 and here you can see above once again the borrow is remaining 9. So let us see the answer. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 because here from 6 I gave 1. So here it is 5. So you can see here 0 minus 4. From 0 I can't take 4. So I am taking borrow from left to right. From 8 I am taking 1 borrow. So from when I give from 8 1, so here it will be 7. So right side it will become 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And at last left side 7 minus 7 is 0. So therefore 62,341 is the difference. Therefore 62,341 more bicycles were sold during 2019 than in 18. Hope you all enjoyed today's session. Based on the topic presentation, you will get the worksheet 5. And here you can see I gave you 5 problems. So solve them properly. Solve the given 5 questions, preserve them and get back when you are coming to school. Thank you all, viewers and learners. Have a wonderful day.